Hey everybody, in this video we will practice finding the number of ways an event can happen. We'll do that first with the basic counting principle, and then we will use permutations and combinations. How many 10-digit telephone numbers can be formed? Okay, so we're going to have 10 digits. We'll use the basic counting principle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And typically you can have your choice of any of 0 through 9 for each digit. So that's 10 options per digit, but the first and fourth cannot be a 0 or 1 in this case. So the first digit cannot be a 0 or 1. That means there are only 8 options, 2 through 9. The fourth digit, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth digit also cannot be a 0 or a 1, so there are only 8 options here. The rest of them can be anything 0 through 9, so that's 10 options for all of these. And now we will multiply the options for each digit. So that's 8 times 10 times 10 times 8 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. I think I got enough of every number. A shortcut to doing this would be there are 2 8s, so that's 8 squared, times 10, and there are 8 10s, so 10 to the 8th power, and I end up getting that same number. So that's 64, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. So that is 6,400,000,000 different telephone numbers to be made, with the restriction that the first and fourth digit cannot be a 0 or a 1. Next, how many ways can you arrange? Okay, so arrange, order matters. So there's order here, which means a permutation. So you're going to arrange 3 people, picking from a class of 17. So this is a permutation, and a permutation is in the form NPR. So N, that's the total number to choose from, that is 17. R is the number you're going to choose, and that here is 3. And order matters because if you choose your 3 students and arrange them, and then keep the same 3 students and arrange them differently, that's a different arrangement, so order will matter. Okay, so we will use the math key. First we'll put in N, which is 17, then the math key, probability, option 2, and R is 3. So we've got N is 17, R is 3, and we get 4,080. So there are 4,080 ways to arrange 3 students out of 17. Next, how many ways can you pick 3 different items from a menu containing 17 total items? Okay, pick. That's not arranging, it's not lining up. So there is no order here, which means we are using a combination. Okay, so combination of 17 total items, but only choosing 3. That's N is 17, R is 3. Okay, so 17, and then math and probability, option 3, NCR, and we are choosing 3 of the 17. There are 680 ways to choose 3 out of 17.